Every time you retell a story, every time you repeat what someone told you, you're using reported speech. So, how do we change the tenses correctly? Let's figure it out. Welcome to the last lesson, that is fifth lesson of our module number 6, in which we're going to study direct and indirect speech, means reported speech or narration. Here is a situation for you. Your friend says, I cannot come today. Later, you tell someone else, and how will you say it? Let's figure that out. What is reported speech? That is the act of repeating someone's words without quoting exactly. You are repeating someone else's words without saying the exact words that the person has said to you. That is, now the reported speech is used in conversations, in storytelling, and in news reporting. So there are two ways to report. The first is direct speech and the other is indirect speech. Direct speech is the exact words. You use the exact same words that the person has told you. And indirect speech is the reported meaning. Means we do not use the exact words. We just use the overall meaning of the conversation that a person has told you. For example, direct example is she said, I am tired. Now these are the exact words. When I report in indirect way, I would say she said that she was tired. अब इसमें चेंज क्या हो गया? I am tired, I turned into she, am turned into was, and tired remains the same. तो इसमें और that word की addition हो गई. तो this is the difference between direct speech and indirect speech. We will learn how to convert these sentences as well, so do not worry about it. First of all, reporting verbs. Common verbs are said, told, asked, advised, requested. For example, he told me that he was busy. He advised me to do the same. He asked me to help him. He said that he would do it. He requested for me to help him. ऐसे करके कॉन्टेक्स्ट के हिसाब से हम अपने कॉमन वर्ब्स को चेंज करते रहते हैं, बट यही कॉमन वर्ब्स हैं जो मोस्टली यूज़ होते हैं रिपोर्टिंग करते वक्त. प्रोनाउन शिफ्ट, इसमें हम पर्सपेक्टिव चेंज करते हैं. कैसे? वर्ड्स चेंज बेस्ड ऑन द स्पीकर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई एम हैप्पी, that will turn into he said that he was happy. A thing, who is speaking now? When I'm saying I am happy means I'm talking about myself. But when I say he said that he was happy, we don't know who he is, right? We are not sure who is speaking now. कौन बात कर रहा है? कौन किसने बोला he was happy? So ये जो वर्ड्स होते हैं ना, वो हम स्पीकर के हिसाब से चेंज करते रहते हैं. थोड़ा पर्सपेक्टिव चेंज हो जाता है. Time expression shift. Words also change with time, not only with speaker. कैसे? Now turns into then, today turns into that day, tomorrow turns into the next day. Whenever we are reporting speech, ये words इस वाले words के साथ convert हो जाते हैं. For example, I will go tomorrow. इसको अगर हम किसी दूसरे पर्सन को रिपोर्ट कर रहे हैं, हाउ विल वी से ही सेड दैट ही वुड गो द नेक्स्ट डे. वी वोंट से, हम ये नहीं बोलेंगे ही सेड दैट ही वुड गो टुमारो, वो गलत होगा. हमें टुमारो को चेंज करना है टू द नेक्स्ट डे. So we'll be saying he said that he would go the next day. That is the correct form, the correct structure of an indirect speech. So this was the end of the part 1. I hope आपको थोड़ा सा मज़ा आया हो ये पढ़ने में, because this is a very interesting way of twisting and making up your language with such fun structure, I believe. So we will be learning more of it in the next part. I will see you then. Till then, take care. Bye.